What's going on, everybody, and happy Halloween. Now, I know if you're watching this video on the day that it comes out, that we've still got a whole month before Halloween is actually here, but I've actually been working on this video since the middle of July. So it's been Halloween around here for a little while, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I've been working on. So let's take a look at a little trailer that I've made.
In a quiet town where Halloween is celebrated like no other day, everyone was getting ready for the spookiest night of the year. But something sinister was lurking in the shadows. A demon with a sweet tooth. So it's up to you to save Halloween. Embark on an epic adventure filled with tricks and treats. Track down the candy thief and reclaim what is rightfully yours. Do you have what it takes to face your fears and save Halloween?
So that was the trailer for Trick or Treat Candy Grab. It's just a fun little game that I put together over the last couple of months. It's not meant to be like the next Resident Evil or Silent Hill or anything like that. There's no blood or gore or anything. There might be a couple jump scares in there, but nothing intense. I just wanted something that players of all ages can really jump in and enjoy. But you may be wondering, okay, well, what does this game have to do with the Halloween Sound Library contest? Well, it actually all started back in July when I was scrolling around the marketplace and I came across the Discord Messenger plugin. And this plugin basically allows you to send messages to Discord from a project inside Unreal Engine. And so I started coming up with ways of how I could possibly use this. And I thought it might be fun to actually use this as a way to send leaderboard scores to a leaderboard channel within Discord. And so that's exactly what I've done. So once you've beat the game, you'll be presented with your times and a place for you to enter your Discord username. Once you enter your Discord username and hit submit, you'll see your times pop up in the leaderboard channel that I've created on my Discord. And once you've submitted a time to the leaderboard, you will officially be entered into the contest. So what are the rules? What do you win? How do the prizes work? I really wanted this sound library to be accessible to everyone. So as long as you've submitted a time to the leaderboard with a valid Discord username, when the contest is over, regardless of how fast or how slow your time was, you will receive the Halloween Sound Library. But to incentivize you to try and get the best time, when the contest is over, whoever is in the top 5 times will also receive a copy of all of the other sound libraries that I've released so far. To see a complete list of the contest rules, check out the contest rules button on the main menu of the game. And that's pretty much it. Play the game, get the sound library. Play the game fast enough, get multiple sound libraries. To download the game, there will be a link in the description below, as well as in the first pinned comment. Now, the contest technically runs starting at midnight tonight, all the way up until October 31st at 11:59 p.m. Those times are in Eastern Standard Time, so, watch your clock accordingly. But since it is in the description below, you can download and begin playing a little early. Just a note, if you submit a time before midnight tonight Eastern Standard Time, it won't count. So that's going to wrap things up for this video. Hopefully this is something that you guys will be able to enjoy during the month of October. And, hopefully get your hands on some of the sound libraries. Now, I will mention that this game is unfortunately for Windows only. So Mac users, Linux users, I'm sorry, it's just what I have to work with. But if you'd like to watch the leaderboards, please join the Sound Effects Guy Discord server. You will find a link to that in the description below as well. And make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you never miss out on any future content. Until next time.